everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern at Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the legal topic, that is the doctrine of res judicata. Most of the students and most of the people does not know about this particular doctrine, and now we are going to discuss it. And firstly, we are going to discuss about the meaning. So far, the very first, we must have to understand the meaning of the res judicata. Res means subject matter, and judicata means adjournment. That is decided, and togetherly it's a matter adjourned. And in other words, the thing has already been judged by the court, and the issue before the court has already been decided between the same parties, and of the court has power to dismiss the case. Thus, at it has been decided by another court, and thus the court has the power or the right to dismiss this particular case. And res judicata applies to both civil as well as the criminal legal system. No suit which has been directly or indirectly been settled in a former suit can be tried again in the court. And in section 11 of the civil procedure code, the doctrine of res judicata has been defined. Section 11 provides that no court shall try any suit or issue in which the matter has been directly and substantially in issue. An issue of facts, issue of law, a mixed issues, law of law and the fact, in a formal suit between the same parties. And a party is a person whose name appears on the record, and which has been already been discussed or heard and finally decided. It is not the date on which the suit is filed that matter, but the date on which the suit is decided, so that even if the suit was filed and later, it will be a formal suit within the meaning if it has been decided earlier. And there is the doctrine of res judicata has been explained in the case of Canara Bank versus NG Subraya Sethi. And the doctrine of res judicata states that no person should resolve his dispute twice for the same reason. If there is any different reason in the or any evidence related to the same case, then it is a valid case, and the suit will be not be dismissed. But there should not be a particular same person or the parties to the suit must have a different reason for filing the same particular suit. And it's that there should be an end to a particular litigation. There must not be any former same case in the court or the legal suit in the court, and judicial decision must be accepted as the correct decision. So guys, this was all about the doctrine of res judicata, and now we are clear about it, that this is a particular suit. We discuss about it, which is not be further be any wrongful suit or filed again, so that it must not be burden upon the court for these particular cases which are not valid one. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section. Please do subscribe this channel Lexis.